Okay, ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to focus on a subject that a lot of people don't focus on when it comes to their trips in Vietnam. So today we're going to go to TPBank and then we're going to go for cash withdrawal. I'm going to walk you guys step by step through the whole process so you know what to do when you come here so you can take out cash much more easily. So come along and let's go in. Okay guys, so first and foremost, when you come here, the machine is going to be in Vietnamese. And when you come here, this is TPBank by the way. So when you come here, everything is now in Vietnamese. So you go here, the upper right corner, and you click on this. It says English. So it changes the language to English. And then before you put in the card, you click on withdrawal. So now when you come on the withdrawal page, there is ATM card, face finger, app, TPBank mobile, identity documents, but all these don't matter. The only thing that matters is the ATM card. So you click on this and then you can now insert the card here. So I'm going to be inserting my card here right now. I feel like I put it in the wrong direction. So here we can, so now it says transaction is under process. Let's see, it takes some time, you know. So yeah guys, so now it comes to this place where you gotta insert your PIN in the keyboard. But one thing about this specific ATM withdrawal, normally back home, when you press the password, you hear sounds, but this place is very silent. So all you gotta do is look here and then you type in your PIN. To all the scammers, you ain't getting me. So I've typed in my PIN and then I press enter. So when I press enter, also with TPBank, there is a withdrawal limit. So you can only withdraw 5 million Vietnamese dong. And then if you want 10 or 20 million, you gotta do it double or 3 times or 4 times, depending on how much you want. So, and also if you wanna take out another amount, you can press here and enter another amount. All right, so yes, we go back. I don't need any cash now, so let's see. Let's see, maybe we can take out maybe 100,000. All right, let's take 100,000. Let's choose 100,000. Okay guys, so we're gonna take out 100,000, withdrawal information. So now it's counting. It says do not leave the transaction. So we wait here and the money is going to come out there. So as you guys can hear, the money is counting now. Big dollar bills, man. So you still wait here, no sudden movements. And then the card is out. So when you take out your card, let's get it out. And then the box opens and you can now withdraw 100,000 Vietnamese dong. I have a lot of cash, so I don't need to take out millions right now. You understand, it's easy to be a millionaire now, but today I want to be a simple guy. So guys, when you come back to the screen, this is the whole transaction. It says successful transaction, your name, everything. You can either print a receipt or you can end the transaction. I don't need a receipt. I just take out my money and walk out. And this is the whole process. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope this video has been informative for you. If you've liked what you've seen, kindly hit the like button, subscribe, comment, and let me know what you want me to do next. And also, please don't forget to donate. It helps the channel and it helps me do a whole lot of things. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later.
Okay guys, now we're going to show you the process to take money out of this ATM. We're at the HSBC Bank. I prefer this bank for one reason and one reason mainly. I can take 15 million dong out. Most banks will only allow you to take 3 to 5 million dong out. So I'm going to show you the process of using this bank here. Come on with me. And it's nice and air conditioned. So we're going to get our card out. But before we put the card in, let me talk to you a little bit about this. If you are traveling through Asia or anywhere in the world, it's best to have a Charles Schwab card. Why? No ATM fees, no banking fees at all. They are an investment firm bank. So to get clients in, they offer totally free banking. I don't know if they have checking per se as physical checks, but you can have an investment account, you can have a banking account, you can have a checking account. I have all three, but we won't go into all the different accounts I have right now. So I highly suggest that you get a Charles Schwab card. So any ATM fees you bear while using the ATM, at the end of the month, you will have that returned back to you. So we're gonna insert our card right here. Now I always forget my pen, and you're not gonna get my pen either, so hopefully I'll type the right pen in. Okay. So you can see here, it's asking me how much I want to put in because I hit other amount, and I'm putting 15 million in. So that's what we're going to withdraw. Now, this is important. These are your fees that are up here. This is the amount that you're withdrawing. This is the fee for the ATM fee. This is the conversion rate, the markup, 3.5. This is your balance of how much that you'll be taking home. So you want to continue without conversion. That'll screw you. So you always hit continue without conversion. Yes, I do wish to continue. This is an additional fee to your financial institute that's telling you how much they're going to be taking out. So we're going to hit yes. As you can hear, the machine is spinning. So it looks like I did put the right pen in. Now, I didn't need the money. I'm flush with cash, but I need to renew my motorbike. We'll be taking some trips, so it's always good to have the extra cash. Quite honestly, I'm living very inexpensive and cheap. Well, we'll just use inexpensive here so that I don't have to. So I'm gonna hit this print advice and take card. Now, the print advice doesn't mean it's going to give you advice like in the US when you go to Wells Fargo. It just basically means it's going to give you the printout of what exactly you took out. So here's the card right here. Take the card out. Now we've got our receipt here, and then our cash comes out the bottom of the machine right here. So we've got our cash, we've got our card, oops. We got our card, and then we've got the receipt. It's most important that you get the receipt, the card, and the cash, because you want to be able to see what the transaction fees are, how much you actually took out, and all the important information, so you have that as a reference. So if this doesn't match up, or when you look at your bank statement on your institution, you'll be able to have a physical hard copy. No, this is how much I took out. It's not, the balance amount is not reflecting on the card or whatnot. So now we've showed you how to take money out of the HSBC Bank. Hope you enjoyed that video. Let's go on to the next one.